Hi, my name is Supisha Kimpikun. I'm a third year student at Thammasat University. I'll be talking about the topic of the concept of human dignity in Thailand, a comparison of the German concept of human dignity. Regardless of Thailand being a party of seven core international human rights protection, human rights violations which constitute a violation of human dignity can still be seen in the form of human trafficking in the fishing industry. Migrant workers, mostly from Burma and Cambodia, has been exposed to exploitation, abuse, and forced labor. So how can human rights violation constitute a violations of human dignity? Before we could answer these questions, we need to understand what is human dignity. The idea of human dignity is inherently or unearthed worth shared in every human being, did not have its currency until 1850, but the embodiment of human dignity evolved from a significant historical culmination in the 1948 Declaration of Human Rights. Human dignity is related to the notions of human right in such a way that one cannot be understood without the other, as human dignity is the foundation of human rights. The importance of respect for one right is based on the notions of human dignity. Right to freedom and freedom of equality are the basis of human dignity. If the action of violation causes the victim the feeling of absolute powerlessness and to feel the loss of humanity and dignity to the extent that they regard death as a relief rather than to suffer being further dehumanized, it is regarded as a violation of human dignity, which is the reason why human dignity is more important than the right to life. Issue of the interpretation of Section 4 and Section 26 of the Thai Constitution hampers the abilities for the public to demand their rights. The first issue concerned the scope of protection as to whether the rights of the migrant workers fall within the scope of protection, as Section 4 states that human dignity, right, liberties, and equalities of the people shall be protected. Moreover, Section 26, which states that restrictions of rights and liberties as a result of law enactment shall not affect human dignity, which is problematic, as Section 26 is placed in the third chapter, which is the right and liberties of Thai people. Another issue is the objective duty of the state in protecting the right of the people is not clearly mentioned. The vagueness of law in itself creates an issues of interpretation of law which hampers the enforcement of law. When compared to the German concept of human dignity is placed at the beginning of the German constitution, which is the Grundgesetz or the basic law, to reflect the importance of human dignity as an absolute right which cannot be restricted, and reflects the clear objective duty of the state to protect those rights. The recommendations and the solutions to the issues to prevent the human rights violation which would constitute a violations of human dignity is firstly the enforceability of law to enable human right protection, which is significantly crucial. Human rights are connected to human dignity in the sense that human dignity is the core of human rights, and it is the basis for the requirements to respect every person's right in which resorted to the justifications of their rights. Hence, drafting of law plays an important role to enhance the enforceability of law. The state should reform the justice systems and create an independent body to review law and ensures that the administrative system for justice is in accordance with the objective of the Constitution. The clarity of law helps enhance the enforceability of law. As in the German Basic Law, which clearly indicates human dignity as an absolute right which cannot be restricted and provide a clear objective duty of the state in protecting the right of the people, reflect the clarity in law which help enhance the enforceability of law. The state must criminalize the act of human dignity violations and constitute such act as a standalone offense. Therefore, victims can access appropriate remedies and perpetrators are held accountable. The state must ensure enforcement of the law of indiscriminations on state officials who committed offense to prevent impunity culture, ensure remedies provided to victims without discriminations, and amended relevant law to comply with the convention that Thailand is obligated under. Thailand has gone through a harsh journey in the past few years to eliminate the issues of human trafficking in the fishing industry and to address the issue of human rights violations that constitute a violations of human dignity. Thailand had amended law, regulations, and policy regarding the working conditions, practice, forced labor, and any relevant abuse that could occur, which improved the situations. However, some reforms had led to the continuance of human rights violations which led to a violations of human dignity. The case of human trafficking in the fishing industry reflects the reason as to why human rights needs to be respected based on the notions of human dignity. That's all. Thank you.